In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign using Mailchimp. Whether you're new to email marketing or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that your emails are not only visually appealing, but also highly effective. First off, you'll want to start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Campaigns section. This is the hub where all your email magic happens. In the top right corner, you should see an option to Create Campaign. Go ahead and click that. You'll be presented with several options, but for today, we'll focus on creating an email campaign. Now it's time to name your campaign. This name is for your reference, so choose something memorable that clearly represents the purpose of your email. Next, you'll need to select the audience list you want to send this email to. This is a crucial step because the effectiveness of your campaign heavily relies on targeting the right people. Make sure you've segmented your list appropriately beforehand. Moving on, you'll find fields to set the from name and email address, as well as the subject line and preview text. The from name and email are what your recipients will see in their inbox, so make sure these are recognizable and consistent with your branding. Craft a captivating subject line. It's what grabs attention and encourages your audience to open your email. Pair it with an engaging preview text that offers a bit more insight into the email's content. Next up is choosing a template or layout for your email. Mailchimp provides a variety of templates to help you get started, or you can create your own custom design from scratch. Aim for a clean and organized structure that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Once you've set up the skeleton of your email, it's time to bring it to life by adding content. Incorporate well-written text, eye-catching images, clear call-to-action buttons, and any necessary links. It's important that your design is visually clean and mobile-friendly, as many of your recipients will be viewing this on their phones. Before you send your masterpiece out into the world, take a moment to preview and test your email. Send a test email to yourself and check how it appears on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is vital to ensure everything looks perfect and functions as intended. When you're satisfied with the way your email looks and works, you have the option to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Carefully consider your audience's habits to determine the most optimal time for delivery. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently create and send effective email campaigns using Mailchimp, helping you connect with your audience in meaningful ways.